For years, we've been told that budgeting is the key to financial success. Countless books, financial experts, and online influencers encourage us to categorize every expense, cut out small luxuries, and follow strict spending plans. Yet despite all this advice, millions of people still feel stressed about money. Budgets are created with enthusiasm, only to be abandoned weeks later, leaving many people feeling guilty and convinced they've somehow failed. But what if the problem isn't your discipline? What if the traditional idea of budgeting simply isn't designed for the way most people actually live? What if, instead of restricting every pound you spend, the real solution is becoming fully aware of how money naturally flows through your life? Today, we're exploring a powerful mindset shift that has transformed the way many financially successful people manage their money. It's called conscious cash flow, and for many, it feels less like following rules and more like taking control. Money isn't static, it constantly moves. It comes in through salaries, businesses, dividends, investments, or side hustles. It flows out through bills, groceries, housing, subscriptions, entertainment, taxes, and unexpected expenses. Yet surprisingly few people actually understand where their money goes every month. Instead, many rely on restrictive budgets that attempt to predict every expense in advance. While budgeting certainly has its place, it often focuses more on limiting spending than understanding financial behavior. Conscious cash flow takes a different approach. Rather than asking, "How can I stop spending money?" it asks, "Where is my money going, and does it reflect the life I'm trying to build?" That subtle difference can completely transform your relationship with money. Today, we're diving into how conscious cash flow works, why it often feels more sustainable than traditional budgeting, and how tracking the movement of money can help you build wealth without feeling financially trapped. Money is often described as a tool, yet many people interact with it emotionally rather than intentionally. They experience excitement when payday arrives, anxiety when bills are due, and frustration when savings fail to grow. Between those emotional highs and lows, however, very little attention is given to the actual movement of money. This is where conscious cash flow begins to differ from traditional budgeting. Instead of treating money as something to tightly control through rigid categories, it encourages people to observe how money naturally enters and leaves their lives. Awareness comes first, adjustments come second. Traditional budgeting usually starts by assigning limits. You decide how much should be spent on food, transport, entertainment, or clothing, and then attempt to stay within those boundaries. For some people, this works exceptionally well, but for many others, life refuses to cooperate. Unexpected expenses appear. Invitations arise, emergencies happen. Birthdays, holidays, home repairs, medical bills, and rising living costs quickly push carefully designed budgets off course. When this happens repeatedly, people often conclude that they lack financial discipline when, in reality, the system itself may simply be too rigid. Conscious cash flow replaces rigid control with informed decision-making. Instead of asking whether a purchase fits inside a predefined category, you begin asking whether the direction of your money aligns with your priorities. Every pound leaving your account tells a story. It reflects a choice. Some choices move you closer to financial independence. Others provide temporary enjoyment. Neither is automatically good or bad. The important question is whether those choices are intentional rather than automatic. One of the biggest financial challenges today is that spending has become almost invisible. Digital banking, contactless payments, online subscriptions, one-click shopping, and automatic renewals remove the psychological connection between earning and spending. Unlike handing over physical cash, digital transactions often happen without much conscious thought. Small purchases made repeatedly can accumulate into surprisingly large annual expenses without ever attracting attention. Conscious cash flow brings those patterns back into view. Tracking cash flow also changes how people think about income. Most financial advice focuses heavily on reducing expenses, but there is a limit to how much spending can realistically be cut. Income, on the other hand, has far greater potential for growth. By monitoring cash flow, many people discover opportunities not only to spend more intentionally, but also to increase the amount of money flowing into their lives. This might involve developing new skills, negotiating a higher salary, starting a side business, investing for passive income, or creating additional revenue streams. Wealth is influenced by both sides of the equation, what comes in and what goes out. Another powerful benefit of cash flow awareness is that it highlights recurring commitments that quietly shape long-term financial outcomes. Subscription services, financing agreements, recurring memberships, insurance policies, and monthly payment plans often seem insignificant individually. Collectively, however, they may consume a substantial portion of monthly income. Because these payments happen automatically, many people stop questioning whether they still provide value. Simply reviewing recurring expenses every few months can reveal opportunities to redirect money toward goals that create greater long-term satisfaction. Cash flow awareness also reduces financial anxiety because uncertainty often creates more stress than reality itself. Many people feel anxious about money not because they are necessarily in poor financial condition, but because they genuinely do not know where their money is going. Once inflows and outflows become visible, even difficult financial situations become easier to manage because decisions are based on facts rather than assumptions. Clarity often replaces fear. This mindset also encourages flexibility. Life changes constantly. Income rises and falls. Families grow, careers evolve, markets fluctuate. Rather than constantly rebuilding complicated budgets whenever circumstances change, conscious cash flow adapts naturally. It becomes an ongoing conversation with your finances rather than a fixed set of rules. The objective isn't perfection, it's awareness and continuous improvement. There is also an important psychological advantage. Restrictive budgets frequently create feelings of deprivation. People begin associating financial responsibility with saying no to everything they enjoy. This can eventually lead to frustration and overspending as a reaction against prolonged restriction. Conscious cash flow shifts the focus from deprivation to intentionality. Spending on meaningful experiences, hobbies, travel, or family becomes easier to justify when you understand exactly how those decisions fit within your overall financial picture. Instead of eliminating enjoyment, you become deliberate about what genuinely adds value to your life. Perhaps the greatest strength of conscious cash flow is that it aligns financial management with long-term wealth creation. Every month provides fresh information. You begin noticing patterns, identifying opportunities, and making small improvements that compound over time. Just as investors benefit from regularly reviewing investment performance, individuals benefit from regularly reviewing the movement of money through their personal economy. Tiny adjustments repeated consistently often produce far greater results than dramatic changes attempted only once. Technology has made this process easier than ever before. Banking apps, financial dashboards, automated transaction categorization, and investment tracking tools provide real-time visibility into personal finances. Instead of spending hours updating spreadsheets, many people can now review their complete financial picture in minutes. The availability of data makes conscious cash flow not only practical, but increasingly accessible to anyone willing to develop the habit. Ultimately, financial success is rarely determined by one perfect budget. It is more often the result of thousands of small decisions made consciously over many years. By paying attention to the flow of money rather than obsessing over restricting every purchase, people often build healthier financial habits that last much longer. Money stops feeling like something that controls you and begins functioning as a resource you intentionally direct toward the life you truly want to create. Last year, personal finance experts are increasingly shifting their focus from traditional budgeting toward cash flow management. Financial planners argue that understanding the movement of money provides a more realistic picture of financial health than simply setting spending limits. The rapid adoption of AI-powered financial tools is accelerating this trend. Companies such as Intuit, Monzo, Revolut, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Copilot Money continue expanding features that automatically categorize spending, forecast future cash flow, and identify recurring expenses. Rather than manually tracking every purchase, users can now receive personalized financial insights in real time. At the same time, higher living costs in many countries have encouraged households to pay closer attention to cash flow. Rising housing costs, food prices, insurance premiums, and utility bills have made it increasingly important for families to understand not only how much they spend, but also the timing of income and expenses. Financial independence communities continue emphasizing positive cash flow as a cornerstone of wealth building. Rather than focusing exclusively on cutting costs, many advocates encourage increasing income through investing, side businesses, digital entrepreneurship, and developing high-income skills. The conversation has evolved from simply saving money to intentionally designing a financial system that supports long-term freedom. I would like to share with you some tips that I personally use to manage my personal finances every year. Start by reviewing the last 3 months of bank and credit card statements without judging yourself. Simply observe where your money actually went. Patterns will quickly emerge that you may never have noticed before. Next, identify your largest recurring expenses and ask whether each one still supports your current goals. Many people discover subscriptions, memberships, or payment plans they no longer fully use. Schedule a monthly cash flow review rather than constantly worrying about money every day. Spending just 30 minutes each month reviewing income, expenses, savings, and investments can dramatically improve financial awareness. Finally, remember that the goal isn't to eliminate spending, it's to ensure that your spending reflects your priorities. Money should support the life you want to build, not quietly drift toward habits you never consciously chose. When you begin tracking cash flow consciously, Money becomes less stressful and more intentional. You stop reacting emotionally and start making decisions with clarity. Over time, those small, thoughtful decisions can lead to stronger savings, smarter investments, greater financial confidence, and ultimately, more freedom. Because the goal isn't simply to control money. The goal is to direct it toward the life you truly want to live. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing, personal finance, and wealth-building content. And let us know in the comments, do you currently use a traditional budget, or do you track your cash flow instead? Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.